Secret 1. Dogs have a sixth sense. You've probably heard people say dogs have a sixth sense, and there's truth to it. Dogs can sense things we can't, like shifts in the weather or even earthquakes before they happen. Their heightened senses allow them to detect changes in air pressure, which is why they often act strangely right before a storm. Secret 2. They can understand your emotions. Dogs are incredibly intuitive when it comes to reading human emotions. Research has shown that dogs can differentiate between happy, sad, or angry faces, and they often respond accordingly. They can feel your joy, comfort you when you're sad, or stay calm when you're stressed. Secret 3. Dogs have whiskers that detect objects in the dark. Whiskers aren't just for cats. Dogs use their whiskers to navigate and sense objects in the dark. These sensitive hairs pick up tiny vibrations in the air, helping them gauge the size and location of objects, even if they can't see them. Secret 4. A dog's nose is 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Their noses are so powerful that they can detect certain diseases, drugs, and even explosives. In fact, their olfactory system is so finely tuned, they can even sense the presence of cancer, cells, or blood sugar imbalances in their owners. Secret 5. Dogs dream just like humans. You've probably seen your dog twitching or wagging their tail in their sleep. Well, that's because dogs dream too. Like humans, dogs go through REM, rapid eye movement sleep, which is when dreaming occurs. So, next time your dog seems to be chasing squirrels in their sleep, they probably are. Secret 6. Dogs can hear frequencies we can't. Dogs have an incredible hearing range, capable of hearing sounds that are inaudible to us. They can pick up on frequencies that are much higher than what we can hear, which is why they often react to things like high-pitched dog whistles or sirens before we do. Secret 7. Dogs can be left or right-pawed. Just like people are left or right-handed, dogs can show a preference for one paw over the other. This trait is known as pawedness, and it can be a fun way to tell more about your dog's personality. Left-pawed dogs may show more intelligence or creativity, while right-pawed ones may be more reliable. Secret 8. Dogs' sense of time is remarkable. Dogs are excellent at keeping track of time, even if they don't understand it the same way we do. They can sense routine and remember when it's time for a walk, dinner, or playtime. Some dogs can even predict when their owners will return home, based on subtle changes in the environment.